Hello everyone. How to use tool to run automation TikTok. This is the most questions I got asked. First, open the tool called Farm Pro. This is a license provided by us. So if you want, just hit a DM to my Telegram. After a software open, click Start. Make sure read our policy and term before Run tool. Click Accept and Close. So this is a dashboard of software. This tool combined to automation features of Instagram and TikTok. Kinda useful for customer. You can import accounts and can manage devices in one dashboard. Okay, how to automate TikTok accounts to warm up, posting, and other things. Back to Auto TikTok section. You can see on the left, this is where we can choose how many devices you want to run. On the center we have automation features allow you to configure it. On the right side, it will have a logs description while tool run. You can click to the setting and configure for each actions. We can setting how many post accounts will scroll, how many second they gonna view the videos, the percent of like, and save blah blah. Also, we got auto search keyword right here. You can input the keyword you want accounts to search and watch. It help us warm up accounts based on niche, industry you want. Setting randomly to scroll and choose video to watch, and randomly second to view videos as well. Now, you can choose device you want to run one by one, or just click ALL on the top, so they can highlight all devices to run automation. Because I already assigned proxy manually, so I will turn off proxy mode when run. The tool can also auto-import proxy as well. Okay, now click Run 20 devices at the bottom, and let's see how our automation tool work. Some phones I still not add accounts, so let's just see the rest run. The newsfeed will have USA creator post, because we using USA IP address to phones. So now, they gonna scroll and auto search keyword to warm up accounts. So that how we can automate TikTok accounts to warm up, posting. If you need to buy Farm Pro license tool, please hit a DM below. Thank you for watching.